Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Dining Bench cover is probably one of the most versatile and practical additions you can make to your dining space, offering a fantastic way to refresh your existing bench's appearance, protect it from daily wear and tear, and even add a touch of personalized style that complements your home decor, all while being a cost-effective alternative to purchasing a brand new bench. Number 5. Smiry Waterproof Dining Chair Seat Covers, Set of 4. Tired of spills ruining your dining chairs? Our innovative covers feature a dual waterproof system, including a special coating and backing. This means liquids stay out, protecting your furniture and saving you frequent cleaning. Forget removing cushions. These seat covers are designed with a unique rear gap feature for quick installation. Simply slip them on, and the elastic edges will keep them securely in place, saving you valuable time. Experience ultimate comfort with our fashionably designed Jacquard fabric. These covers are soft, sturdy, and wrinkle-resistant. The high-stretch material easily fits most chairs, providing a snug and stylish look. Designed to fit most standard dining and kitchen chair seats. Please measure your seat cushion's length, width, and thickness to ensure a perfect fit before purchasing. Elevate your kitchen and dining room decor with these versatile seat covers. They are perfect for upholstered chairs and are machine washable for easy care. Simply tumble dry on low, no bleach or ironing needed. What we like? This one offers superior protection against spills with its double waterproof fabric. If you have pets or young children, or frequently deal with spills, this is an excellent choice for peace of mind. Its easy installation means you can protect your furniture in seconds. What people say? Easy on. Nice and tight on the chair so they look very nice. Seem like they're well made and should wash up well. I love that they're stretchy so they form to the chair well, no puckering or boxy look. These definitely stay in place, they are much softer, the color goes well with my decor in my living room. They are machine washable on cold water cycle, easy to put on chair with no hanging loose strings underneath chair. Like the ones I had before they would move out of place. This design looks more modern, durable, with a stretchy material that's more fitted on each chair. Moreover, not only was it easy to slide on and provides a secure and snug fit. The best part is that it completely conceals the damage on the seat of the chair. It's even comfortable to sit on now since it's smoothed out the texture and you cannot feel the unevenness. The material feels substantial and durable. Number 4. Eco-Ancheng Dining Bench Cover. Introducing the Eco-Ancheng Dining Bench Cover, designed to refresh your furniture. It's made from a soft, stretchable blend of polyester and spandex for a comfortable and secure fit. Give your old bench a new look with our fashion-forward printed patterns. It not only protects against daily wear and tear but also adds a touch of style to your dining area. Designed to fit most dining benches, this cover is incredibly easy to install. Simply slip it on and secure it. Plus, it's machine washable for effortless cleaning. Crafted from high-grade, anti-pilling fabric, it offers exceptional durability and a soft feel. Enjoy a comfortable seating experience that's built to last. Ideal for various settings, including kitchens, dining rooms, living rooms, and hotels. It's the perfect solution to keep your bench looking like new. The stretchable material ensures a snug fit that recovers quickly, and the wrinkle-resistant fabric means no ironing is required. It maintains its shape and appearance effortlessly. What we like? Looking to give your old bench a completely new look? This option features a stylish printed pattern that can instantly refresh your space. If you prioritize aesthetics and want a quick, easy way to update your furniture's appearance, this is the one for you. What people say? Pop of color I was looking for. Fit the 4 chairs and 1 bench. Very easy to install. Soft and stretchy. It does look great though, and fits snugly around the sides of the bench. I love the pattern and it is very soft to the touch. This cover is soft and stretchy and covered in old seat cushion. Looks like it was made that way. Grateful that I'll be able to wash it when necessary and tumble dry low so not to mess up fibers. Number 3. BUYUE Fast Installation Dining Room Chair Cover Set of 4. Transform your dining chairs in minutes. Our covers are designed for a quick and tool-free installation, saving you valuable time. Experience the difference with our TPU-free fabric. It's stretchy, crease-resistant, and designed with your well-being in mind, complying with national health standards. Give your chairs a fresh, new look while protecting them from spills and daily wear. The elastic band ensures a snug fit, keeping them looking great. These covers offer partial water resistance, providing a layer of protection against minor spills. Please note they are not fully waterproof. Ensure a perfect fit by measuring your chair seats before purchase. We recommend seat dimensions between 15 to 19 inches in length and width. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions, our support team will provide a solution within 24 hours. What we like. Prioritizing a healthier home environment. This cover is made without TPU, adhering to strict health standards, and is partially water resistant. If you're concerned about material safety and want a cover that offers some spill protection with a quick, tool-free installation, consider this option. What people say. The fabric is soft and stretchy, fitting snugly over my dining bench without slipping. It has successfully protected my bench from my dog's muddy paws and occasional spills. The neutral color blends well with my existing decor, and it looks much more expensive than it was. Number 2. BUYUE Beige Jacquard Dining Chair Cover Set of 4. Transform your dining chairs in minutes. Our covers are designed for quick and tool-free installation, saving you valuable time. Simply slip them on and enjoy a fresh new look. Experience the difference of healthier materials. These covers are made without harmful TPU, ensuring a safe environment for your family. They are also machine washable for easy care. Give your chairs a modern makeover with our stylish rhombic jacquard design. They not only enhance the appearance but also help keep your chairs clean and protected from minor spills. Accidents happen, but our covers offer partial water resistance to protect against light spills. Please note they are water resistant, not fully waterproof. Ensure a snug fit by measuring your seat dimensions before ordering. We recommend a seat length and width between 16 to 20 inches for optimal coverage. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer service team is ready to provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. What we like. For those who want a more complete look and prioritize health, this rear-covered option is ideal. It offers the same health-conscious material and partial water resistance as another option, but with a design that covers more of the chair. If you like a snugger fit and are mindful of material safety, this is a great pick. What people say. After 2 kids, they've held up well and any strains have come out easily after washing. They are easy to put on and look like part of the chair. Color matches with the description. The design of our chairs doesn't allow us to just use the covers that stretch right on top of the seat, so it was great to come across these. You pull them down over the back of the chair, stretch the cover onto the seat and tie the back part to the seat part to ensure a nice fit. The fabric is textured, and nice, and thick, not cheap feeling at all. I've washed them twice so far and they come out very well. These are great. Stretchy, perfect fit, color matches perfectly to my bench cover as well. It is water resistant, not waterproof. So if you do spill something, dab it quick or take cover off. Number 1. Fuloon Stretch Jacquard Dining Bench Cover, Light Gray. Experience superior comfort with our dining bench cover, crafted from a soft, stretchy blend of polyester and spandex. It's designed to be wrinkle-resistant and effortlessly machine-washable, requiring no ironing. Ensure a snug fit for your upholstered benches, accommodating lengths from 42 to 54 inches, widths of 14 to 18 inches, and heights of 3.2 to 4.7 inches. Always check our size chart before purchasing. Revitalize your old cushions and safeguard your dining bench from everyday mishaps. It effectively shields against stains, dust, and pet hair, keeping your furniture looking new. Enjoy a secure fit that stays in place. With elastic bands, adjustable buckles, and a reinforced hem, it provides a non-slip solution that won't shift or move. Perfect for everyday use in your kitchen, bedroom, or living room. It's also an ideal choice for adding a touch of style to hotels, banquets, and celebrations. What we like. If you need a reliable and secure fit that won't budge, this bench cover is your best bet. Featuring elastic bands and 4 buckles, it ensures a snug and non-slip fit. If you have a bench that experiences a lot of use or you simply dislike covers that shift, this durable option is perfect. What people say. This cover has been amazing. It looks phenomenal and the sizing is great. My bench cushion seat is actually on the bigger side and yet it still fits. The cover is adorable, waterproof, and washable, and is doing the perfect job of protecting our beautiful fabric seats. The cover is very simple to put on, and the color blends right in with the rest of our decor. This cover fits perfectly for a 48 long bench. It's perfect, and it makes the bench look new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.